Now, your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And good evening, I'm meteorologist Steve Norris here in the 2 News Weather Center. And well, today, not all that bad. We had some sunshine. It was warm. It was a bit humid out there, and even a couple of showers in spots. But look at that high today. It finally felt like summer for a chance. 86 degrees. That's 1 degree above the average high for this time of year. And this morning we dropped down to 67, close to the normal or average low of 65, and no rainfall there at the International Airport. Your forecast, if you're going to be heading out this evening, I think you'll be just fine, unless you maybe live off to the north in the northern Miami Valley. You might get in on one of those spotty showers there. But 85 degrees at 7 o'clock, down to 79 at 9, and right around 75 degrees at 11 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, can't completely rule out maybe a spotty shower or storm. There's a little complex that could move in tomorrow morning. But most of the day will be dry until we get into the late afternoon hours. And you can see at 5 o'clock, beginning to see some showers and thunderstorms move into the Miami Valley at that time. Tomorrow, a warm day with highs getting into the upper 80s. Here's what we have on Live Doppler 2 at the moment, which is not a whole lot. Again, just a stray shower or two. One here over the western part of Auglaize County, just west of Wapakoneta, and another little cell here over Logan County, the northern part, and also the southern part of Logan County, south of Bellefontaine. Seeing some showers there. Here's the main deal. This is what's going to give us some problems, I think, no doubt about it, as we head into tomorrow afternoon late and into tomorrow evening. An area of low pressure, a trailing cold front, and it has triggered numerous severe thunderstorms out ahead of it this afternoon and now this evening. You can see severe thunderstorm warnings there over Iowa. We've been watching some of those as well over Minnesota. In fact, if you see the little red right there, that indicates a tornado warning over northern Minnesota. This is going to move very quickly off to the east and to the southeast as we head through the next 24 hours. And I think by tomorrow evening, 5, 6 o'clock is when we begin to see those storms move in. The Storm Prediction Center has placed a good chunk of the Midwest. In fact, it ranges all the way from Michigan down to the Gulf of Mexico, some sort of threat of severe weather. The yellow would be a 2 on a scale of 1 to 5 in terms of severe threat. That does cover all of the Miami Valley. And then an enhanced risk has just been added this afternoon. It includes the Dayton metro, areas off to the east, Xenia included, Wilmington down to Lebanon and Warren County, even the eastern edge there of Butler County as well. So here's what I think will happen. That threat window between 5 and 11 o'clock tomorrow evening, we're looking at strong winds, large hail, the potential for a couple of tornadoes, and some of that damaging straight line wind could be 70 miles per hour or greater, according to the National Weather Service. Here's Future Track. You can see those spotty showers moving out. Again, a little cluster of showers moving in early tomorrow morning, but they'll be weakening. They'll fizzle out, and then we'll get into the afternoon hours, and that's when we begin to see those showers and thunderstorms at well, 12 noon, still dry then, cloudy skies, but we'll break out into some sunshine. That will destabilize us. And then there you are at 5 o'clock. Here's 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, strong to severe thunderstorms at that time. 9 o'clock, here's 10 o'clock, mainly around the metro and south, and there's 11 o'clock. So we're talking about a period of several hours that we could be looking at showers and storms tomorrow evening. We're at 85 right now. It is very warm out there. Those winds out of the west and northwest at 5 miles per hour. So we've talked about tomorrow and what you can expect then. Wet on Monday, much cooler on Monday, and the rain will start to wrap up on Tuesday, and we'll get a couple dry days by midweek.